What's up guys, R13 here and welcome to a special video. I actually got a few items during my trip to the Otakuthon 2018 / GBWC Montreal 2018. And it's a little bit damaged because I put it in my luggage, the box, so apologies. And here it is, a Zeta Gundam Mini Pla kit, an RX-78-2, and an Exceed Zaku head, Exceed model Zaku head. I'm actually quite excited doing the unboxing for this specific items here. Now, like I said, first off, I want to apologize that I was not able to put up my regular content due to the fact that I was attending Otakuthon and GBWC. And it was really a really great venue that I'm looking forward to going back again next year. And I came in as a competitor for GBWC and a photographer, and I'm leaving the link on my blog channel in the description below so you guys can check it out. Now let's focus on the items here. We're gonna start off with the very basic here, the RX-78 unit here. As you guys can see, this is what it's gonna look like. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 pieces. Okay, so this unit 2016, this is maybe a few hundred yen. I haven't actually done real research on this. Okay, so this is actually very cheap when you go to Japan. Okay, so as you guys can see, this is the box art. It's a little bit crumpled because I put it in my luggage. Yeah. Okay. So here's the back of the box here, and there's other units also. You even got clear parts. You get the Zaku, Akgui, GM. You even got some of the IBO kits. Nightingale. Okay. And you even got a Baoku. And wow. Okay, this is actually a little bit unexpected. When I saw the box, like I just wanted to buy it. I didn't actually even had the chance to look at the back of the box, but I've seen this specific clear parts before in a magazine. So this is all of it, and that I'm looking forward to maybe getting in the future if I actually like the quality. Look at that. This is actually a weird unit. If you guys can read Japanese, please leave it in the comment section below what this means or what this unit is. Okay, so the second one is the Zeta Gundam. Again, similar. This one was it's actually marked as 2016. And there is more units here. You get the Zaku 1, you get the Big Zam. You actually get multiple options, and since they're small, it's gonna be interesting. And you even get the G Gundam here, which is actually quite surprising. Okay, so let's start opening the RX-78 first. Okay, there's a tab there that you can use. Just be very careful if you like the box, and I am gonna be extra careful. Okay, nice. You even got some information here. Okay, there's nothing in the box. Oh wait, there is actually. I don't even know what this is. This looks like a gum. Maybe it is a gum, or maybe not. Okay, let's open this up here. Okay, I'm gonna smell it out of camera here. Actually, it is a gum. Okay. Okay, now packaging, it's not bad. Okay, I got scissor here. Let's open this up. And there you go. You get your very basic information in Japanese here. Very basic instruction. You got other also, not bad. Okay, and now for the unit itself, just look at the quality there. It's actually not that bad for a mini kit collection. Not bad at all. And the best part is you can paint it if you want. Okay, let's put this aside here for now. And up next is the Zeta. Okay, let's open, let's check the box again, and you got the gum there. I'm gonna leave it there. Okay, let's set that aside. Okay, you only get one page here. Basic instruction, build. Wait a minute. This is a unicorn. It is. It's not a Zeta. Can make yeah. It is not a Zeta. They made a mistake. I can't believe that. Wow. It's not a Zeta. It's a unicorn. But still, it's quite nice. Yeah, I guess Bandai does make mistakes. Oh well. So this is surprising. Now up next is the Exceed model. It's a Exceed model Zaku head. It's actually covered in black plastic with some sticker. It's thick plastic also, so we're gonna be very careful. Okay, this feels like a gachapon to me. Okay, I'm gonna destroy that now. Okay, before I completely destroy it, as you guys can see, there's multiple options here. You get the gray and what looks like a black. You get the basic green and the blue. Okay, I'm kind of hoping I can get the green here. Okay. Okay, looks like there's a green here. Okay, I'm just being careful not to damage this part here, but it looks like I may have to destroy it completely. Okay. Wow, this is harder than I expected. Okay, it's a success. Sticker not destroyed. And more layer. Wow. This video is taking longer than I expected. Okay. Okay, so this is the Exceeded. Looks like I did get the green, and I have no idea. And wow, look at that beast there. Okay. Okay, let's begin. Okay, you get the one piece here. Jeez. Okay. You got your basic instruction here, it seems. Wow, interesting. Very, very basic. Yep, gashapon. Nice. Not bad at all. So, you actually have to build this unit. Okay, so there's a plastic here. Here are the parts and tape. This may actually take some time, but Okay. So these are all the pieces. Okay. Doesn't move. This is a clear part. Not bad at all. So it's in multiple pieces. You actually have to work on the unit itself. You can actually move the parts. Wow, it's interesting actually. Really interesting. Okay. Looks like certain parts were not put in place properly. Yeah, so this is the exceed head in pieces. And this video had taken a lot longer than I expected. So it's gonna be a lot of work. So it's practically like a kit also. So I'm looking forward to putting this together. It looks like it's very, very simple. But it's been designed to be in different pieces here. So like this, oops. This head piece here is supposed to, it actually moves. Wow. So it's supposed to be here. You get the, it's interesting. I'm looking forward to building this unit. Okay, so that's all the time that I got today. Thank you guys for watching. This is R13. Again, sorry for not able to upload my regular content. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys next time. Here are my final thoughts regarding this unit here after building it. Multiple pieces, worth getting. And this actually earned a slot in my display case. Have a good day, guys.